When you are asked to find the area of a shaded region, I strongly encourage you to write it out in words, even if it's abbreviation. So for part A, I need the square minus the circle, and that suffices for being in words. Remember, geometry is about communicating why something is true to someone that doesn't understand it. So you want to be as clear as possible. So now the area of the square is going to be the side squared. The area of the circle is going to be the radius squared, and the radius is going to be half the side times pi. So 100 minus 25 pi. For D here, we want the area of the large triangle minus 3 sectors. And those are all 60-degree sectors with a radius of 5. So the area of the equilateral triangle is going to be 10 squared, square root of 3 divided by 4. 100 divided by 4 is 25. And now we need to subtract off those 3 sectors. And those are each 60 over 360 degrees, which is 1/6. And then the radius is 5. So the area is 5 squared pi. So 3/6 reduces to 1/2. That's going to be 25 over 2 times pi. It would be nice if we put those with a common denominator, which means we have to multiply this by 2 over 2. So we have 50 root 3 minus 25 pi all over 2. And then for F, we need to figure out the area of the hexagon minus the area of the circle. So the area of the hexagon is going to be 1/2 the apothem times the perimeter, and the circle is going to be the radius squared times pi. So the radius of the hexagon, if I draw 2 of those in, I get an equilateral triangle. And then when I drop down the altitude, which is also the median, also the apothem, then I know this is 5, that's 60, that's 30 there. Let me zoom in. That's 30 up there, 60, and 5. So now when I'm looking just at that triangle, then this would be 5 root 3 and 10. So then the apothem is 5 root 3, and the perimeter is 6 sides that are each 10. The radius is the same as the apothem here, which is 5 square root 3 squared times pi. So now 2 goes into 6 3 times, and this is all multiplication, which is why I can do that. I couldn't cross an addition or subtraction sign. So 30 times 5 is 150 root 3. 25 times 3 is 75 pi.